Welcome to the 31st video in our weekly legal update series. In this video, we will be discussing important news items from 21st June to 26th June 2021. In first important news, the Supreme Court has held that goods imported in violation of notifications under the Foreign Trade Development and Regulation Act are liable for absolute confiscation under the Customs Act. In the case of Union of India versus Rajgro Impex LLP, the Supreme Court has held that items such as peas imported in violation of notifications of the central government and the Director General of Foreign Trade issued under the Foreign Trade Development and Regulation Act are liable to be confiscated under Section 125 of the Customs Act as being prohibited goods. The court also said that the personal interest of the importers who made improper imports are kept against the interest of national economy and the interest of the farmers in such a situation where personal business interest of importers clash with public interest. The former has to give way to the latter. In second important news, the Karnataka High Court has clarified that personal law cannot override POCSO Act, Child Marriage Restraint Act, and General Penal Code of the country. In the case of Rahul versus State of Karnataka, the court has noted that personal law cannot override the special laws like POCSO Act, Child Marriage Restraints Act, and the General Penal Code of the country. The observations in the present case came in relation to the second marriage of the accused with a minor girl of 15 years under the Mohammedan law. The court rejected the bail application of the accused on the ground that there are violations made out to the Child Marriage Restraints Act, POCSO Act, and IPC, and the personal law of the accused will not be able to save him. In third important news, the Madhya Pradesh High Court has started live proceedings of its court proceedings in furtherance of the plea of the journalist. The court, however, has clarified that the live streaming of the proceedings will be done subject to restrictions as mentioned in the Swapnil Tripathi judgment. In fourth important news, Justice Munishwar Nath Bhandari has taken over as the acting Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court on June 26 after retirement of the current Chief Justice Sanjay Yadav. Lastly, the Kerala High Court has stayed the order of the Lakshadweep administration of excluding meat and chicken from midday meals. The Kerala High Court has stayed the order of Lakshadweep administration of excluding meat and chicken from midday meal program, finding that there is no prima facie reason for the sudden exclusion. This brings us to the end of our video. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.